Hi all the students of Narayana 9th standard. Today here I am in front of you all to discuss assignment number 34, which is from center of mass and collisions. So let us go with your assignment first question. Your first question is given here: the center of mass of two particles with mass 2 kg and 1 kg. That means you have two particles, of one is mass of 2 kg, another one is of mass of 1 kg, and they are located at 1, 0, 1, and another one is located at 2, 2, 0. So here they have given you coordinates. Let us try to talk about that coordinates right now. Now the coordinates which are given to you all are like this: x1, y1, z1, and this one is x2, y2, z2, and this one is m1, m2. Now such kind of questions have to be finding, like we have all the coordinate axes, so we have to find x center of mass and y center of mass and z center of mass. We will get 3 points from this. Now let us try to find this: m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. So how much is m1 given over here? m1 is 2 kg, x1 is given as 1, plus m2 is given as 1, x2 is given as 2. So you will be getting 3 as your answer. This is 4 by 3, and here you will get m1 y1 plus m2 y2 by m1 plus m2, and here you will be getting somewhat around 2 into y is how much? Y is 0, and m2 is 1, and y2 is given as 2 by 3. So you will be getting 2 by 3 over here. And next one is m1 z1 plus m2 z2 by m1 plus m2. So this one also you will be getting 2 into 1, because z1 is given as 1, plus 1 into 0, because z2 is given as 0, by 3, because m1 plus m2 is nothing but 3, that is equals to 2 by 3. So you are having 4 by 3 as x center of mass, and 2 by 3 as y center of mass, and 2 by 3 as z center of mass. So the option over here is first option: 4 by 3, 2 by 3, and 2 by 3. Hope this is clear for you. Let us go with the next problem. Okay, now this is another question. I need a little space for writing the question, and just slide it up after writing this or discussing this question. Now when we try to discuss this question, the particles of mass 100 and 300 grams have position vectors. Now they gave position vectors. Let us take the position vector as r1 and r2. The position vector of first mass is given as 100 grams of mass is positioned at 2i plus 5j plus 13k, and second one is given as minus 6i cap, that is 300 grams is positioned at minus 6i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap. Now let us go with the solution. Now the given data, as for the given data, I am going to write it like this: 100 and 300, right? So I'll write down this, the given data. I'm going to write 2i cap, okay, now let us write this. Here the value which is given as m1 is given as right? M1 is given as 100 and M2 is given as 300. Now M1 and M2 are given as 300 and 300. Now when we want to go with this position vector, let us take this one as R1 bar and this one as R2 bar, this one is R2 bar, R2 bar. Now if you want to find this kind of a problem, when you want to find this kind of a problems, then you have to have use this kind of a solution. Like your formula will be M1 R1 by M1 plus M2 plus M2 R2, R1 bar and R2 bar. So when you want to substitute these values, you will be getting M1 value is given as how much? M1 is given as 100. So let us go with that 100. So 100 into R1 is given as, let us go with this R1. R1 is given as 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap by what we'll be doing, okay, plus M2 is how much? 300, right? 300 and minus 6i cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap by M1 plus M2 is 400. You will be having, this is 400. Now let us try to solve this. When we try to solve this, what happens is here you will be having 200 I cap plus 500 j cap plus 1300 k cap plus 1800 I cap. This is minus, okay, so minus 1800 I cap plus 1200 j cap plus 600, sorry, you have 600, right? 600 k cap and by 400, right? By 400, right? Now when you want to solve this problem, you will be getting around 1800 minus 200 is 1600 I cap and you have 1200 and 500 1700 plus 1700 j cap plus 13 plus 600, right? You will be getting 1900 k cap, right? And you have by 400 and after this what you will be doing is this is equals to, you take hundreds common, from here 100 you take common, you will be getting 16 I cap plus 17 j cap plus 19 k cap by 100 into 4. 100 gets cancelled. You will be left over with 16 I cap by 4 cap, 17 j cap by 4 cap, 19 k cap by 4 cap. So which option it is? Option number 1. So this one is minus, first of all this is minus, right? So plus into minus. So it is first option. So minus 16 by 4 I cap plus 17 by 4 j cap plus 19 by 4 k cap. So this is your answer and hope this is helpful for you. Let us think this is clear for you and let us proceed to the next question. Hope this is helpful, right? Next question. Next question, let us go with the next question. This question is, the distance between the center of carbon and oxygen atoms in the carbon monoxide gas molecule is 1.13 into 10 power minus 10. The distance of center of mass of the molecule related to the carbon atom is. Now when you want to solve this kind of problem, the formula for this is m2 into d by m1 plus m2. Now the distance between two molecules is given as, like carbon and oxygen, is given as 1.13 into 10 power minus 10. Now let us substitute that values. So m2 value, how much is m2? So carbon is mass of carbon is 12, mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 into you will be getting 1.13 into 10 power minus 10 by m1 plus m2 is 16, 12 plus 13, sorry 12 plus 16, because you have oxygen is 16, right? So this is 16, 12 plus 16, you are going to get by 28, and you have this thing 16 into 1.13 into 10 power minus 10. When you try to multiply this, you will be getting something around 0.64 into 10 power minus 10. So the option is second option, right? So hope this is helpful for you. Let us go with the next. Let us meet in the next assignment. Until then, bye.